there it is. 20 brake horsepower mod. Oh, you can't see it during the day, but that is the puddle light. You can't see it, the puddle light for the A45. There you go, that's a bit better. That's 20 brake horsepower there. 20 brake horsepower, that's all you need to do. And obviously I'm joking. Welcome back to the London car scene. Welcome back to the A45. And in today's video, we're going to add a little induction kit to the A45. Basically, this is step one in taking this car to 500 brake horsepower. Yeah. So in the last video, if you watched it to the end, I said I'm going to take this car to 500 brake horsepower, which is exactly what I'm going to do. And I'm going to document the whole thing from basically putting the induction kit in to the final stage that I take it to. And to follow that video, to follow the progress of the A45, all you need to do is hit that subscribe button and follow my channel. Not only that, I'm giving away an Xbox in a competition that will be announced further down the line. But to get into that competition, I need your guys' help to invite your friends to the channel, get them to subscribe, because we need to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year to get into that competition where you or your friends could win an Xbox. So subscribe, follow my progress through owning this car, follow my progress through modifying this car, and follow my progress getting this car up to 500 brake horsepower. 500 brake horsepower is the benchmark that I'm aiming for, but if we get it higher than that, then that's a bonus. Yeah, so stay tuned, and let's get started on the video. Airtec induction kit fitted. Yeah, so thumbs up. So Airtec induction kit added. Online it says it has 20 brake horsepower. Do I believe it has 20 brake horsepower? Probably not, but already I can feel that it's trying to pull a lot more smoother, and also just pulling away, it just wants to pull. Like that first time I pulled away in it, I didn't get it on camera, but I wish I did. It just lurks me back because of how much more responsive it feels just for an induction kit. So that's it for this video. I'm going to try possibly get some exterior shots in, but it looks like it's going to rain, so I'll probably put them in the next video. Subscribe to the channel for that. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see how I'm going to take this car to 500 brake horsepower, and also get as many people as you can to subscribe to the channel, because we need to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of this year if you want to be in for a chance to win an Xbox.